To complete this project, you will need the minimum of the following: some wood, a saw, a pencil, a hammer, a tape measure, a combination square with 45-degree and 90-degree marks, galvanized finishing nails, wood glue, a drill with a pilot drill bit, and wood clamps. I opted to use power tools during this build, but you could easily make these boxes with the previously mentioned items. Let's get started. Mark your cut lines according to the plans using the tape measure and the square. Using the 45-degree angle on your combination square, lay out the cut lines for the roof line. Make the cuts using a miter saw or a hand saw. Be sure to stay on the outside of the cut lines. Using a table saw or a hand saw, trim one of the roof boards to remove the thickness of the second board. Mine were approximately 3/4 of an inch. Assemble your birdhouses using wood glue and clamps to hold it in place while you drill the pilot holes. I like to keep the finished cut edges down or overlap to maintain a rustic look. Drive your nails, being carefully to align all the edges first, as to not split the wood. Stacking the ends on top of one another helps to mark the underside of the roof and keep an even layout on the placement of your sides. Be sure to pre-drill all your holes to ensure that you don't split any of the wood as you're driving the nails. The final piece of assembly is adding the roof. Be sure to line up your holes that you previously drilled with the roof. I find marking the edges with the numbers 1 and 2 helps to align to make sure that the holes are the same spot where I previously drilled them. And finally, drive 2 nails each into each side, securing the roof to the base. This is a great project to do with your kids. It only took us about 10 minutes to assemble after I pre-cut, drilled all the parts. He had a blast nailing it together and putting it out in our yard. The bird feeders can be mounted on a pole such as you see here, or you can suspend them from a tree or from a branch using wire or rope. Be sure to check out our website if you would like to get free plans on how you can make your own bird feeder with your kids. Thanks for watching.